Hi, I'm Matt Inskip from DL.
And I'm Rob Perkins from Verstegen.
And in this section of the Masterclass, we're going to show you some really simple meals to put into your hot counter. We're going to be demonstrating the beef Rogan Josh, but also we've done a Kung Pao chicken and a chicken chasseur. So the first step for this one, we're going to take our nice diced beef, preferably topside, something nice and soft, and we're going to add in a mixture of the Verstegen masala spice mix and the DS Bond. And give that a nice little mix around just to get everything coated, everything seasoned up with a nice bit of flavour. And then it's so simple, we're just going to add in a little bit of the veg. So for this one we're just going to use some diced onions. And then we're adding in the sauce. Mixing it up, adding it into our boilable cooking bag. I mean, it's such an easy way to put products together. I mean, we've made the three that we've made today. But again, like everything we're doing, the possibilities are endless. Look at what your customers are eating, look at what they like to eat in your local area, and I'm sure that you can make the foods that they want to buy. I mean, these are great for the hot counter. These are going to be cooked in the Rationale cooking system, brought out, and they can be emptied straight into your hot counter.
That's right.
Serve them with rice, serve them with a bit of noodles for the Kung Pao chicken, and I mean, your customers are going to be delighted.
Perfect. There we go, Matt.
Lovely stuff, smashing. So we've used the jug again just so we don't make a mess. And we're just going to take that now and pop that in the vacuum packer, and then it's ready to go in the Rationale cooking system.
Right, let's get these bags in there.
Lovely stuff. So there's your lovely Rogan Josh.
Great. Let's just fold these corners over so we can get two bags on one rack.
Perfect job.
They're good bags, these. They're great.
Oh, definitely, like, yeah, they're so robust.
Really strong.
And how's the Kung Pao chicken? That looks a bit special, does that one, Rob?
You like that? It's your favourite?
Yeah, that's the one. I'll be taking a sack of that.
Oh, will you now?
If I'm allowed.
Oh, I'll allow you, Matthew. I'll allow you.
There we go. And the chicken chasseur, I think Danny's got his eyes on that one.
And he's got his eyes on most things.
Yeah, that's it. So now we put a pro pad on these ones, don't we?
We're going to put one pro pad on to get a HACCP reading when it comes out of the oven. So we're going to choose the beef into the centre, and we'll probe that once it comes out, just to check the internal temperature.
Brilliant, perfect job. Right, well, let's get them in.
Wow, that smells absolutely fantastic, guys.
They look well, don't they?
Do look very good. Yeah. And this comes straight out of the oven, and then the butcher's going to actually put it straight in his hot counter.
Straight in the hot counter, yeah.
Which obviously hot counters become very popular butchers now, aren't they? And a lot of them now thinking about when they have refits to have hot counters.
All the other beauty of this is the bags can be chilled down, decanted into foils, and they can be sold in the multi-deck as well.
All right, okay, that's also that's good as well. So not only for the hot counter, but also you can use it for ready meals for the multi-deck as well.
Yeah,
as long as you chill them down.
Dual purpose, yeah.
Oh, very good.
Shall we tuck in?
Yeah, let's tuck in.
So,
tuck in.
This is the DL Rogan Josh.
And curries are very popular on the hot counter, aren't they?
Because we've used that top side as well, it's cooked down, it's nice and soft. It's
all those flavours
really
they've just been trapped in that bag.
Because that is a restaurant quality sort of curry. That is.
Yeah.
So that's the Rogan Josh.
Yep.
What have we got here then? Is that sausage one here?
Matt's going to dish up the Kung Pao now.
All right.
It's based on the sweet and sour sauce with a kick of chilli paste in it.
Yeah.
Lovely stuff.
So you've got your chap choy composition, your DS Bond.
Right.
In the same way that a butcher would create a raw casserole in his shop. Then you've got the addition of oriental vegetables, sambal oelek, chilli paste.
All right.
And that gives it a nice kick.
And a nice crunch of peanuts.
Do you know what? I've tried this before, the sweet and sour, but I've never tasted it like that intense before. And that's purely down to cooking in the bag.
Final one is your classic chicken chasseur.
Ah, right. That was a fantastic concept.
That is brilliant.
Cook it in a bag. Once it's cooked, straight into the hot counter, then serve, or cool it down, then decant it into ovenable trays ready for ready meal in the multi-deck.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, fantastic, excellent.
Yeah, perfect. So what's your favourite then, Dan?
I'm going for the compo chicken,
No,
actually.
sorry, that's mine. I'm taking that.
No, I like that one.
I'm taking that one. That's my
Second best is probably the curry because I'm a curry fan.
Right.
To be fair, actually, they're all really good.
Yeah, I was just going to say that. Like I say, I think I'm the other way around. I think the chasseur does it for me.
Yeah, that is very nice as well.
Yeah, even though it's very warm today, it still tastes.
But can I just say something as
I
well?
still have that for me tea.
It's like restaurant quality, isn't it? It's you know, sometimes you buy ready meals, like particularly from the supermarkets and that, and it's you know it's a ready meal, you know it's processed.
They can be a bit thin, can't they? Yeah.
But this actually feels sort of, you know, a top chef. I'm not saying you're not a top chef.
I'm not far from it.
But it's at that level of quality, isn't it?
Oh, definitely, like
And that's thanks to Verstegen quality on the ingredients.
Indeed, yeah. You can't.
The
you
rationale
can't
cooking
compromise.
system, cooking it perfectly.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And you know, bingo, there you go.
And I mean, once you've got this set on your cooking system with the settings, it's going to be the same every time. We're getting that consistency. And
It's a marriage made in heaven with rationale, really.